Hey everybody, this is September 26th, and this is my review about the Avaett cam. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this review is all about things I don't think that I've heard other reviewers say about the camera. Okay, so the first thing is, if you plug this up to a power bank and you do not turn off parking mode, the camera will turn off. At what point, I'm not sure. I just know that once you get out of your car, it will eventually stop recording, and then it will not start recording until you get back into your car and drive away. And I am sorry, I am not sure what's going on with the lighting here. I'm not doing anything to the lights, and it's kind of affecting my tablet today. Okay, so let's see if I can hurry up and get us back inside of the house. Okay, so how do you turn parking mode off so that this camera will continuously record when you have it plugged up to a power bank? Well, you turn your Wi-Fi, turn on your location, and then you go into the app and you click connect. And it will take you to your Wi-Fi page, and then you click on the camera. But I already did that, so that's why it automatically took me into the camera. Okay, so right now the camera has stopped recording so that I can access the rest of the settings. You go to the little car icon, and right there you see you can turn off parking mode. You also want to make sure that you turn off motion detection as well. Okay, so it can continuously record. And I'll take you guys back inside and tell you more about the camera. Okay, so now we're back inside, and sorry about the angle, you guys, and about the lighting today. Like I said, I'm recording with my tablet, which I don't do very often, so there are a couple of things that will be slightly different with the quality of the recording. Okay, so the second thing that I did not know about this camera is that it has its own VPN. Okay, I'm trying to hold the tablet. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can get myself steady here. Okay, the VPN, you have to set it up. Eventually, it will not let you keep saying no or go away from the screen, and it won't let you go any further. So you set it up and say yes. But when you go back inside your house, what you're going to find is if your phone connects back to the Wi-Fi of your house, or even if you turn your Wi-Fi off, that it will start to mess up other things that you're trying to view. So like if you're trying to go to certain websites, if you're trying to see other things on your phone, the VPN to this camera may interfere with that. Okay, so how do you turn it off? Well, whether you're close to your camera or not, you can open up the app. You will see this starter page here. You click on the settings, and right there, as you can see, your second option is to turn VPN Connect off, and then you'll be all set to go. Okay, and like I said, you do not have to connect to the camera to be able to do that. Okay, but you do want to make sure that you turn that off, or it will affect you going to certain web pages that you like to go to. And if you're like me, you'll spend about 5 or 10 minutes trying to figure out why you can't get to certain web pages, and then you realize that the VPN is on. And it will be up in your notification bar on your phone that the VPN is on. Okay, so if you have other VPNs, then you might think, oh, I have that VPN off. And then after that, you'll probably remember, especially if you watch my video, that the camera has its own VPN. All right, so let's go to Amazon and see the price and what the camera looks like. Okay, so here we are on Amazon, and I'm going to try and stay as steady as I can. And unfortunately, I cannot focus because if I do, it makes the recording darker. Okay, I did not know that about this tablet, so I'm going to try to stay as still as I can. There is the price of the camera. You automatically get $10 off. If you look at where my arrow is right here, where that little green check mark is next to the word coupon, you can check the box, or it will automatically check for you if you've been back to the page multiple times. Or you can put the camera into your cart and then click the coupon there. Okay, so some of the other things that you might find out from other reviews, okay, video here on Amazon or on YouTube are the following. Let's go over here to the left. That is what the camera looks like. The top is showing you the back side of the camera, and then the bottom is showing you the front side of the camera. Another thing that I want to let you guys know is I don't know how hot it would have to be, but I would think that your car would have to be sitting in extreme heat in order for that suction cup to come loose. Okay, so make sure that you put it on your part of the glass where you want it, because once it's on there, you guys, it's very difficult to take it off. Now, the camera itself is easy to detach, and okay, well, I can't show you there, so I'll point to it. Down there where I'm pointing is where you detach the camera from, but the suction cup itself will still be on. This piece right here I'm pointing to is the lever. It will tell you to put the suction cup on the window and then to push that lever up 90 degrees, and then it will help it suction. But I can tell you that it will stay stuck on there even if you don't tighten it with that lever. Okay, it might be after you do it the first time, but like I said, it does have a strong grip. Okay, I just want to give you guys fair warning about that before I forget. Okay, so over here we have, it has GPS. It will tell you where the video was taken. Okay, it will show you the street names and the address of little buildings, especially if they're houses, but it will not tell you the address of where your car is. It will just show you roughly the area of where the video was taken. It does not notify your phone, unfortunately. So if you want that feature, then you're probably going to have to look for another camera. I found a camera that was more similar to a Ring, but when it would overheat, it would start to mess up and it wouldn't notify me right away. It was really sad, you guys, because I liked it, but I had to return it. Okay, so this one, you can be about 10 to 15 feet away from the camera, and as long as your location and Wi-Fi are on, you can access it. So let's just say you're sitting inside of, I don't know, a cafe or something, and you want to see what footage it has recorded so far, then you can access it. Okay, like I said, just make sure you're within 10 to 15 feet of the camera. And then it shows you that it has a, let's see if I can get here, a smart connection. And I showed you guys how to do that a little earlier. It has a Sony CMOS image sensor. I'm just trying to hold my tablet still long enough so you guys can read that. It has a super capacitor, and that will help with the camera overheating, which it does not. That's another thing I like about it. It barely gets warm while it's recording. Dual cameras with wide vision, record video inside and out. And the power bank that I plugged it up to, let me go to the Amazon page, is this power bank here. Okay, so I'm going to move my tablet over to where you can see the information. This will probably be a double review. I am going to possibly do another video on the power bank itself, and the link to that will be in the description box below, and also in the comment box I'll pin it to the top. Okay, so let's see if I can get this over here. Okay, so there is the information about the portable charger, and there is the brand name below the title. Okay, so if the camera, let's go back to that, is plugged up to that power bank, let's say for 2 to 3 hours, you get home and you do just like I did and you forget to unplug it from the power bank, it will only have used about 82% of the, well, actually not used. I said that backwards. Sorry about that. It will have about 82% left on the power bank. Okay, so this camera does not use a lot of power. Again, like I said, I meant to say that you'll have about 82% left of power on the power bank. I believe that is it for things I don't think that I've heard about this camera. If I can think of anything else, I might make a second video, but those are just some things that I don't remember reading anywhere on Amazon or hearing on YouTube or anything like that. And don't get me wrong, the reviews on Amazon are great. The videos on the camera on YouTube are great. A lot of people put in a lot of effort. There's also a video here on Amazon if you want to look at it. It's down here. Okay, he does an excellent review and gives you all types of useful information about the camera. I don't know him. Like I said, I just want to show you that there is a video on Amazon if you do not feel like going to YouTube. And also, I bought the camera. Okay, this is not a paid review. Okay, so I did purchase it. I was not refunded. I don't know the owner, and I don't know anyone that's made any reviews on here. I don't even think I made a review on Amazon. I also don't know any of the people that have made a review on YouTube as well. Okay, so I do want to make sure that I made that clear that I did buy this outright, and I am currently testing it, and I've had it for about, I want to say maybe a week. Okay, it comes with a little booklet that has a lot of information in there, so make sure you check that out. And like I said, yeah, I think that's it. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else that I did not know about this camera until I got it. Let's see. While I'm thinking, let's do a recap. If you wanted to continuously record, when you plug it up to a power bank, you have to turn parking mode off. I will also turn motion detection off. Okay, it may be like this other camera I have in my car, where if you have motion detection on, once it detects motion, it will start taking its own video and kind of override the continuous recording. Okay, so if this camera works the same, then you want to make sure you have motion detection off. And I just went ahead and turned it off just in case that was the case with this camera. Okay, so next up will be the video about this power bank, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, which I can tell you right now, there is not much that I don't like about it. As you can see, there is the price. A link for it, if I did not mention this, will be in the description box and also in the comment box below. Okay, I do want to make sure that I mention that just in case I forgot to let you guys know earlier in this video. And you guys have a nice day. And coming up next is the video about this portable charger. Have a great day, you guys.